Pasyal tayo, guys! Hello! Good morning! Where are you taking me today? Open niya.
Yeah.
Hanap tayo ng mapapasyalan.
Wizard Lake.
Jubilee Park, Saliduk. Somewhere lang. Time check, guys, 11:59 a.m. Today is July 11, Saturday. Mabuti umaraw. Kanina maulan. Makulimlim. Kagabi may thunderstorm na naman. Tapos, ayun, mabuti talaga umaraw.
Maninilo to.
And this weekend, ano yung tawag doon? Family fishing weekend.
Wala na, subukan tayo sir.
Sige. Ibig sabihin nun, pwede ka mag-fishing ng walang fishing license for this weekend only. Yun. Mag-fishing sana tayo, kaya lang wala pa tayong mga fishing rods and fishing gears. Tapos hindi rin natin alam ang mga rules. So para sure, wag na muna tayong pumunta. Kailangan alamin muna natin yung mga rules, kung catch and release lang ba. Sabi nung kasama namin sa work, kung di mo alam ang mga pangalan ng fish na hinuhuli mo, then wag mo silang kainin. Catch and release ka lang, sabi niya. And dito ay may construction. Mag-arm muna tayo ng bahay. Let's go! My driver. Ganda ng araw. Saan tayo punta? Sa Jubilee Park? Okay, Jubilee Park. First time to go there today. 12:04 p.m. time check.
216 West Anthony Henday Drive ramp.
It's about 21 degrees right now. 21 degrees Celsius. See you there. Wapin na. Malay mo meron silang for rent. Tignan natin. Madilim na. Farmers pa yung nandito, no? May canola farm. Tapos nung before this, may mga plants din, marami. Siguro potatoes daw, sabi ni husband. I think so too. Yan. Nasa Township Road tayo. Range Road 261, Township Road 490. Time check, 12:30 p.m. First time mo ba dito, Bab? Your first time here? Yeah. Me too. Siyempre, lagi tayo magkasama eh. Sana umaraw kahit konti. Ayan guys, sobrang daming ulan, lalo na nung June. Ayan, may mga patches yung mga farm na binaha. Kaya, syempre expect mo na yan, magtataas ang mga produce. You know, may mga patches talagang baha. So, hindi tumubo yung mga tanim. Speaking of, mag-i-increase ang produce. Siguro last week, bumili kami ng watermelon. Tapos, ano lang siya, around $6 each. Tapos kahapon, bumili si husband ng watermelon sa same store, sa superstore. Nasa $7 na siya. Or more than $7. Ha? More than $7 na siya, no? Yeah. Tumaas siya ng more than $1. Ayan guys, mas malala to. Mas madaming baha ito. Daming hey! Hey you! Dami pampakain nila sa mga baka at kabayo. We passed by the community school earlier. New Humble Community School, no? New Humble Community School ang pangalan ng school nila. Hindi makita sa camera guys, may ibon.
Turn
Ayan.
right onto Township Road
Daming ibon
44.
doon. And then may nadaanan kaming Haskap Berry Farm. The next time yon. And what's this? This is called
Continue on
Bentley
Township Road
Seniors
41,
Campground.
4.5 kilometers.
Seniors Campground tayo, beb. Oh, time check 12:40. Live Edge. Hardwood slabs. Oh. Pala yun.
Road 271.
Jubilee Park Campground. Campground yun, babe. Doon din tayo.
Hindi, atin yung day use.
They use.
Day use.
Okay, we'll turn left to Range Road 271.
Continue on Range Road 271 for 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer. Almost there. Guys, we have arrived. Malapit na tayo.
Turn right to stay on Range Road 271, then turn right.
Turn right daw. Ayan! Ayan siya! 12:43, time check. Yay! Oh,
Turn
may
right
tao.
into the parking lot. Then
Weekend.
500 meters, turn right.
So it's our first time here, guys. Someone at the gate greeted us. So he explained that these ones with the pylons, these are for the trailers. Other than that, we can park anywhere we want for the cars. And for the weekends, during weekends, there's we have to pay for parking. So there's a pay machine there for parking, and yeah, park anywhere we want, and then just put the payment, the receipt on the dashboard. Okay. Welcome to Jubilee Park! Okay, let's go pay. Oh, meron silang boats. Nice. Let's just go pay for parking. I wonder how much is parking. Yeah, those are the guys who greeted us earlier. Yung mga nakasuot ng vest. Jubilee Park Campground, day use area. Oh, ayan oh. Meron nga lake. Okay, let's pay. Day pass is 8. Okay. Boat pass 30. Vehicle season pass 40. Nakabayad na tayo ng parking. It's $8. Tap lang yung mga credit card. You have to tap your card. Husband's credit card, yung tap niya, it's not working. Kasi ginagamit niya sa nasa bulsa niya lagi, so siguro nasira. But at least good thing I brought mine. So it's only $8. Now let's explore. Wow! Welcome to Jubilee Park Campground Day Use. Paid parking Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and holiday Mondays. Parking is free Monday through Thursday. Gates are locked from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. Beach safety, fire safety, pets on leash, and general information. Okay. Ay, may swimming pala dito. Ayun.
Campground yung kaya tayo.
Campground. Maglakad tayo. So, ayan yung beach. Medyo makitid lang yung beach niya. Saan ka punta, Bab? Pwedeng mag-barbecue, oh. No, may mga picnic tables. So again, don't forget to bring your barbecue gear next time. May ayan, mga washroom. Okay. I was thinking to bring our volleyball earlier. We forgot. Huh? May monument. Ito. Including all pioneers who helped develop this fine country of ours. Yes. Yan. Oh, meron mga tables. Bring your boat and then you can go fishing as well. Those two guys are gonna go fishing.
Sa luklok yan
Yeah.
Dumurot ka pa.
Tara, dumurot ka pa.
I think yung katam mo. Ayan mo.
Yeah. Hindi pwede doon. I think dito sa side. Yeah, we can go walk.
Katam mo.
Ayan guys. Medyo maliit lang yung space. Kung ikaw ay, siguro picnic lang, ganyan. Pupunta ka dito for picnic. Pwede na. If you don't want to pay for parking, come here during regular days, Mondays to Thursday. Because Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and holiday Monday, they have you have to pay for parking. All right.
Wala na.
Marimla na. Are you cold na?
Napali yung mga kampangan.
Sige. Ambush interview. Babe, what's your impression? Can you describe what you are seeing and feeling? Have a look, guys. Yan ang lake. And then over there is the campground kung magka-camping ka. Very nice. Okay na. Day trip.
Good thing you caught that. It's coming right for your balls.
Dami. Oh, more people are coming in, arriving. There's more to walk over there. You can go boating, paddle boating, fishing. Yes. There's more over there. Houses. May Water is okay. Not too cold, not too warm. So in a sunny day, pwede. It can be refreshing in a sunny day. But today, for me, anyway, it's cloudy. Buti na lang walang wind. No, it's not windy. So maybe medyo malamig para siya sa akin. But same as I said, if it's sunny today, pwede. It'll be a refreshing swim for sure. Okay, let's head back and see Habibi. Sa kaya nila na may sarili siguro silang jet ski, no, Beb? Yung mga yun, no? No. Wala namang nare-rent dito, di ba? So fun! There's more people over there. Yung boat namin nasa Philippines na, guys. Ay! Babe! Pelican! That's a pelican! That's a pelican, you guys! That's a pelican! Laki niya. Oh. Oh, malamok, no? Grabe, malamok. Yes, so I was saying, yung boat namin nasa Philippines na, but we can, let's get another one. Para makapag-boating tayo dun. Diba? Oh. Ang katabi niyang lake, guys, na pwede ring accessible, accessible sa public, yung Pigeon Lake. But it's about maybe another hour from here or maybe 45 minutes from here. And dahil malaki ang Pigeon Lake, marami siyang beach around it. Iba-ibang beach. Yeah. Pero since sulitin na natin yung day. Yeah. Okay guys, time check, 1:37 p.m. Ayan na ang thunderstorm. Ayan na. Wow. Lumalamig na rin. No, mahangin na. Nagligpit na yung iba. Na, Beb. Okay guys, time check, 1:41. Pack up na tayo kasi malamig na, tsaka malamok. At least alam na natin to. Alam na natin puntahan. Alam na natin ang rules and regulations. We have ideas na what they have here for amenities and whatnot. And the next time we can visit here, then we are prepared. So far, nagsa-survey lang tayo. Nagtitingin-tingin. Babe, you wanna use the washroom before we head home? Oh, sige. Mag-washroom lang ako. Si Erden, si husband. Nagsisialisa na rin yung mga tao, guys. They're starting to pack up na because it's getting windy na. And when I went to the washroom, I saw this building, this store. So it's called Wizard Lake. And it's open. You can buy food here. Groceries, it says. It's like a little mini sari-sari store. Let's check it out. And then this one is going to the campground that way. So only campers can access that. And here's husband. And the washrooms are clean, guys. Yeah, hang on. So that's it. Yeah. Okay. Ice cream too. Nice in a sunny day. Yeah. Trail systems. Okay. Okay guys, let's head home. 1:48 p.m. Jubilee Park. Wizard Lake in Jubilee Park. Okay guys, I think this is where we'll end the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.
Construction.
May lightning dun guys, banda.